Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you a software that is a game changer for e-commerce lovers. Okay, so if you are into drop shipping, if you have a Shopify store, if you are planning to create a Shopify stores, if you are into Amazon, if you're an Amazon seller, it's a seller, this software is for you. Okay, so this is the best software for spying on ads, sponsor ads from TikTok and a lot of other stuffs inside. Okay, so let's go to the application of this software, and once you go to the application, you'll be taken to the dashboard. You can see that I bought this software. I've got the license of this software, and there are two versions. Okay, so the free versions, of course, it has limited features, and the premium version, it has all the features. It cost you just $47 per month, but remember, just one winning products, you just have to copy paste it and you can make thousands of dollars using this software. Okay, so if you are into e-commerce, or if you are planning to do e-commerce, if you're planning to have a site, if you want to sell something, this software is for you. Okay, so remember, I'll leave the link on this software in the description of this video. You can go and get it because it's in the launch phase and it is the lowest which you can get. Okay, so because the software is they're going to add a lot of features out here, and it will be the prices are going to rise. Okay, so actually they also are going to launch a one-time payment of $97, but I don't know when they are going to put a banner, but it will be soon. So but remember, it is only for the launch period. So if you are watching this video after many months of launch, then maybe you won't get it in this price, or you won't get it on one-time payment price. Okay, so it has a lot of features. Okay, so you can generate content using this software. Okay, so you can give number of paragraphs, amount of characters. You can give your prompt out here. You can just let's say you want to write an email. Okay, so you just have to tell the software to write an email campaign using email marketing, whatever it is. Okay, so you'll get everything. Okay, so it's very easy to use. Okay, so you can create content, you can generate image. So I'll just show you some of the features. Okay, so let's say you can go and find the sponsored ads. Okay, so you can see what kind of ads converts. You can go and go to the landing page and check out the landing pages out here. You can choose by you can sort it by categories, by country, by gender, by time, etc. Okay, so sorry, date, etc. Okay, so now there are all these features of this software is that you can go literally and go and check out all this engagement, how much time it has been shared, the views, etc. Okay, so you can go and spy on the landing pages. So let's say you want to spy on this landing page. Okay, so you just have to open it, and you can see what this what this ad creator is doing. Okay, so he's from German. This ad is placed in Germany, so most probably the landing page should be in German language. Okay, so you do not have to worry if you are not in Germany. You can go to countries like United States and find on this. Okay, so you can choose according to countries. Okay, the ads. So let me just show you. So I just showed you out here. Okay, you can choose the country if you want to see ads from USA or United Kingdom, whatever it is. Okay, so you can go and check out the landing page, what they are doing, what kind of landing page they are using, the price point. You can see this is a simple website, and remember, the simple white website, I mean the clean website, convert better. Okay, so one thing I do not like about this landing page is that I cannot see what's written out here, and it's a bit off. But yeah, this is sponsor ads, and you just have to know, you get the idea of what kind of products you can promote. Okay, so sponsor ads, one thing. The winning ads campaign, now this is something that is very valuable. Okay, so you get a list, you get the database of winning campaigns. Okay, so you just have to literally copy paste the winning campaigns, and you can start making money from day one. Okay, so now these are the winning campaigns. You can see the engagement. You can see, just look out here. Okay, 31k love reacts, the comments, the shares and views, etc. Okay, so you can go and spy on their landing page again. So let's go and spy on the landing page to see what product is all about, and everything related to the product. Okay, so the landing page is loading. So okay, so this is it. Okay, so now this is the website who is running these ads, and since this is a winning product, that means that this product is selling like a lot of units. Okay, so you can see out here its price range. So, okay, so you just have to okay, I'll just cross it. Okay, so it's there, some of these are their promo. You can just go and check out the products. You can find the winning products and go and promote it yourself on TikTok. Okay, so you can see winning products. You can also find products according to your niche. Okay, so you can find products you can see out here. Okay, so if you do not know and about any features, you can see, you can keep track of the top trending products. You can see out here. You can go and search by keywords. You can search by categories, countries, ad impression, total likes, and price range, etc. Okay, so everything is there. Whether you want to go and get the landing page or you want to just see the post of the ad, you can see it out here. Okay, so this software is awesome. Okay, so if you are into e-commerce thing, you need this software. Okay, so now if you are if you want to go with this its stuffs, you can see, you can explore keywords out here, find keywords related to your niche, etc. You can compare the keywords and see you can see out here. Okay, compare search phrase metrics side by side to identify the best ones to focus on to be found. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of stuffs out here. Storm bucket, store tracker. You can go and track others store, and you can literally spy on others, and you can just copy paste the ad campaigns, the winning ad campaigns, and you can make good money. Okay, so if you are into dropshipping, yeah, actually I'm main focusing on TikTok ads, and I'm focusing on dropshipping out here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you these things. So again, you can insert the keywords. You can go and find you can sort it by categories. You can find it by range, the newest ads, or whatever it is. Okay, so you can see out here. Now these ads are very awesome. Okay, so if you are into Facebook ads also, you can just find winning products. Okay, you can find new viral products with only a few clicks. Okay, stop wasting money on bad products. See the Facebook ads that are performing well for us. Okay, discover hot products before they go viral. Uncover the market segments that convert best for each product. Okay, so you can see out here the products out here. Okay, so all these products. Okay, so you can go and click this license to print, and this software is awesome because I'll show you why. Okay, so you can see the product details out here. It was just posted yesterday. The selling price of this product is this much, but the product cost only $15. Okay, so then you can see the profit margin. Okay, so you get 24% profit right away. Okay, so you get all those profit margin calculation, all this analytics, engagement, and the most important part, where do you find this product? Okay, you can find this product on AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, eBay, store selling this item, and Facebook ads. Okay, so you can see, you can go and check out these links, and you can find the source to buy this product at $15.41, and you can sell to at a price of $39.41. Actually, this is a recommended, but you can also sell for more. Okay, so if you are just starting out, just go with the $39.41 because this is the best the software has recommended you. Okay, so this is the best price. Okay, so you can also see that everything about this ad. Okay, so the countries in USA, the interest, the gender, the age group, and audience size, everything is there for you. Okay, so this software rocks. Okay, so if you also want to find TikTok trending stuffs out here, you can go and find the trending hashtags, trending songs, trending creators, trending videos on TikTok. Okay, so you can also do similar things on Pinterest trending. Okay, so you can see that this software is very easy to use. Okay, you just have to find winning campaigns. You just have to go and just copy paste those ads, and maybe just give it a few tweaks, because I do not want you to go and copy word by word. Okay, so that's not doing good for anyone. Just go and get this trending stuffs. Okay, so search volume nails. Okay, so this is a important important stuffs. Okay, so you just have to go and click nails, and so since it's a trending topic, you can explore the keywords real shoppers are using to find listing like yours. Okay, discover the details behind keywords to learn real search volume, real keyword engagement, dare to ship, market based pricing, and much more. Okay, so if you get if you want to get all this stuff, if you want to go and find out the analytics, you can get everything. Okay, the pricing, the shipping, everything. Okay, so and all this stuff's out here. Okay, so these are the sample listings which you can find. And yeah, if you need any help, this Tiksale also has a YouTube channel where you can go and get every details, every tutorials about all these features. Okay, it's in detail. Okay, so also you can go and go to the fan page and check it out, and you can also ask any query you may have to the live support. Okay, so now this software I want you guys to go and get in very fast, because they are also releasing a tutorial, okay, that can make you $1,000 every single day using this winning campaigns. Okay, so now that is a very detailed tutorial. I just got a sneak peek for those tutorials, and they are great. Okay, so go and get inside, get this software, and just reserve your slot. Okay, so because later on that those tutorials will cost you more money. Okay, so if you want to get the software, go to the link of this video, okay, on the description, and the first comment I'll leave you the link to this application, to this software, and I want you guys to get in as soon as possible. Okay, so because the price it's just launched, and I want you guys to make use of this launching price. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, and bye bye.